how to change your passcode on Splitwise. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to change your passcode on your Splitwise account, so first thing first, just head over to any of your browser and simply log in, or make sure you are on the login page of the splitwise.com. And once you're inside here, you just need to basically provide your email address. So since you've forgotten your password, or you might want to change it, if you want to change it, you can just redirect to the account by entering your password and simply head over to settings. But since if you have forget your password already, then you can just click on this forget your password button over here at the below. And if you have logged in or signed in via Google account, then you can basically change your Google account password and simply re-log in that same password over here to successfully sign in. So for now, I'll simply tap on this forget your password button over here to try to reset my password. So all I have to do is either provide my email address, registered email address, or registered phone number based on your registered country. So for now, I'll simply provide my email address just like this. And once I provide my email address, I will simply fill up this captcha button over here and prove that I'm a human. I'll simply have to click on this reset password and they will send the reset link to that particular provided Gmail, and I can simply reset my password from over there and simply re-log in to my account from over here just like that. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe channel. See you on the next one.